Hi guys, Cruise Control Marks Garage. So guys, ito mag-i-install tayo ng cruise control dito sa Camry XV50. Yan guys, 2.5G. Yan, Camry 2.5G. Okay, check natin guys. Ngayon wala pa siyang cruise control. Ayan, ito yung steering wheel niya. Wala pang cruise control. Automatic transmission. Okay, continue ko ulit yung video guys pagka-install. Thank you. Oh guys, legit. Jason Castro. Oh, baka hindi kayo naniniwala
Ay.
Ito.
Sir Mart Cruise Control. Kung naghanap kayo ng cruise control kay Sir Mart.
Yan. Cruise Control Marks Garage.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yan guys, Cruise Control Marks Garage. Yan, nag-install tayo ng cruise control dito sa Camry 2016 2.5G. Ayan, si Sir Castro po ang may-ari. Ayan, check natin.
Thank you.
Check natin yung cruise control guys. Ayan, so na-install na natin. Ito, tapos ayan ang indicator niya. On, off, on, off. Ayan, so hindi na tayo magte-testing guys. Okay na siya. Okay pa. Thank you po sir.
Thank you. Ilang minimum backup